Hi, it's Kat with Beadaholique, and I'm here today to show you the Casual Comfort Pliers by Beadsmith. Now there are 5 different varieties of pliers, and I'm just going to start by showing you why they're called Casual Comfort. So you can see they have a really nice wide base here at the bottom so that when it fits in the crook of your hand there, it's really nice and sort of comfortable. So you get a really nice firm grip on it. And I just want to kind of show you, so that's the Casual Comfort, and then here's another plier by Beadsmith, and you can see how small it is in my hand, and after a while that might hurt your hand. So if you're experiencing that, the Casual Comfort pliers by Beadsmith are a great way to go. They're both wonderful pliers, but these have a little bit more weight to them and a little bit of a longer tip. Now speaking of longer tip, this here is a chain nose plier, and they also have a long extended chain nose plier, so you can sort of see the difference side by side. So if you're working with something where you're going to need a little bit extra room, this is a great option to go with. They also have a pair of flush cutters as well. Very simple, very straightforward. Again, just a great tool that every jewelry maker should have. They also have a pair of round nose pliers and a pair of bent chain nose pliers. So if you're doing a lot of opening of jump rings, these are a great pair of pliers to get those nice and easy and really comfortable in your hand. So there you have it. Those are the Casual Comfort Pliers by Beadsmith. You can get all of these pliers and many more supplies at Beadaholique.com.